my dear student. Today, I, Preeti Mishra, going to deliver a speech on this wonderful occasion. We all are celebrating 76th Republic Day. When we turn the pages of history, then it's really very difficult to visualize and imagine the hard work and dedication, also the contribution of visionary and dynamic leaders. How they have planned and drafted our constitution very nicely. Means if we think the year 1950 and now we all are here in 2025, still we all are following our same constitution which has united India, which is known for its diversity and rich culture. There were many foreign leaders. They predicted that after independence, India will divide it into multiple other countries. But trust me, everyone, they have predicted that this country will divide it into multiple countries, but our diversity and our rich culture, this is the strength of our nation. India, where we follow 22 languages and more than 20,000 dialects are there. But this is the power of our constitution, which has given opportunity to each and every section of the society. Not only this, when we talk about the challenges in 1950 and the growth of our nation that we all are celebrating today, 2025 as 76th Republic Day. There are multiple challenges in our history. In economic instability, from economic instability to make it as stable. For social challenges, for differences, now we all are in the independent country. We all have our own constitution. We have equal rights, where all men and women are moving shoulder to shoulder. They all are, even women are breaking glass shields of the barrier. We all are witnessing the growth of every single individual. Yes, everyone, this is the power of our constitution. Where a woman from the tribal community is now being the president of our country. A man from the very common family is being the prime minister of our country. So this is the power of constitution, which never sees the differences among the people. We only respect, we only honor the quality, we honor the respect, the value and the contribution of each and every one. When we see in the defense sector, those were the days when India was asking cryogenic engine from other nations. Now India has the power to, it is launching more than 100 satellites of other countries. Those were the days when India was asking grains from other nations. Now India is standing to be a leader in distributing the grains. Those were the days during the time of famine, India was asking medicines from other nations. Now we are distributing vaccines free of cost as a soft power bonding to the nation, everyone. The contribution of our constitution has strengthened and it helping us to grow in all the section, not only particular one section. As we all are the teacher here, what is our contribution for the growth of our nation? We have potential to train our young minds. We have potential to contribute, enhance the quality, not the quantity. We are helping our youth who have highest population in the country. We want to see more Neeraj Chopra in our nation. We want to see more Kalpana Chawla. If we talk about the science and technology, research and innovation, it also changes with the time. Definitely, when we see a country which has population of 1.4 billion, there are challenges. The challenges in the form that in the Paris Olympic, or you can say in the sports sector also, we want more gold medal, everyone. We want to see more champions in sports as well as in education also. This all will be possible by our valuable contribution in our schools. India, being a population of maximum number of the youth, have more potential to bring a change. Now, before ending my speech, everyone, I would like to recite few lines फॉर द यूथ ऑफ आवर नेशन। युवा तुम तकदीर हो कल के हिंदुस्तान की, युवा तुम तकदीर हो कल के हिंदुस्तान की। दीन धर्म के नाम पर कोई बीज फूट का बोए ना, जो सदियों के बाद मिली है वो आज़ादी खोए ना। हर मजहब से ऊंची है, हर मजहब से ऊंची है कीमत इंसानी जान की। युवा तुम तकदीर हो कल के हिंदुस्तान की। नारी को इस जग में दासी जाना है, नारी को इस जग में दासी जाना है। जिसको कोई अधिकार ना हो उसे घर की रानी माना है। तुम ऐसा आदर मत लेना, तुम ऐसा आदर मत लेना, आड़ हो जो अपमान की। युवा तुम तकदीर हो कल के हिंदुस्तान की। रह न सके अब इस दुनिया में युग सरमाएदारी का, रह न सके अब इस दुनिया में युग सरमाएदारी का। तुमको झंडा लहराना है मेहनत की सरदारी का। तुम चाहो तो बदल के रख दो, तुम चाहो तो बदल के रख दो किस्मत हर इंसान की। युवा तुम तकदीर हो कल के हिंदुस्तान की। Once again, Happy Republic Day to one and all present here. Jai Hind, Jai